In picture A, there is the grub screw, a fully threaded screw with no head. It's used to fasten mechanical systems where metal surfaces rub together and can't be obstructed by heads, such as in pulleys and gears. It is fastened with an Allen key or with a screwdriver. In picture B, we can see an open-ended spanner or a wrench, the most common tool with a U-shaped opening that grips two opposite faces of the bolt or nut. This wrench is often double-ended with a different sized opening at each end. Picture C is a spring pin, mechanical fastener that secures the position of two or more parts of a machine. Spring pins have a body diameter which is larger than the hole diameter. There is a slot on the entire length of the pin that allows to compress the pin and insert it. The radial force produced by the spring pin against the hole wall retains it in the hole, so a spring pin is a self-retaining fastener. In picture D, we can see a caster nut, a hex nut with 6 slots. It's usually used with a cotter pin to hold it firmly in the position. They are used in low torque applications, such as holding a wheel. Picture E, it is a clevis pin, a cylindrical pin with a head at one end and one or more holes that run through the diameter. A clevis pin is typically locked in a place with a cotter pin to provide motion between components where great accuracy is not required. It is often used especially to fit attachments to a tractor or other vehicles, as it allows a degree of rotation about the bolt. In picture F, there is a circlip. It is a type of fastener consisting of a semi-flexible metal ring with open ends, which can be snapped into a place, into a machine groove, or other part to permit rotation. There are two basic types, internal and external. Circlips are often used to secure pinned connections. In picture G, there is a hex cap screw, a fastener for machine parts. It is a cap screw with a hexagonal head designed to be driven by a wrench. It is held by threads in the hole in which it is screwed. H, it is hex socket head screw, a type of cap screw with a round head and a hexagonal indentation inside the head for tightening purposing. It's tightened or loosened with an Allen key. I picture is a spring washer with a thin plate, typically disc-shaped, with a hole that is normally used to distribute the load of a threaded fastener, such as bolts and nuts. The bolt will always stay tight because the shank tries to spring back to the original size.